rolling the way down. Now breathe your air. You only can rescue me. This is my prayer. If you were mine, if you were mine, I wouldn't want to go.
I'm back with a review from y'all know my most favorite human hair wig company, and that is Unice Hair. They are my absolute fave, and I just reviewed a winner by them. I'm not sure the order these are being uploaded. Hopefully I put some footage there. So they are absolutely my favorite. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit that 70K, y'all. Help your girl do it. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you for getting me to this point. Unice has definitely gotten me to this point because I review more Unice human hair than any other company. That's how much I love them. If you look in the description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to this unit as well as all the details. All I've done is take it out the shipping packaging so we can do everything together, okay? So the wig comes in that beautiful pink box, and as always, Unice includes the things that we will actually use as extras: an edge band with their branding on it, a pack of wig caps, and an edge brush with a removable head. Straight to the point, things that we will use, okay? I'm just reading the details about this wig directly out here, but like I said, look in the description box and you'll see it as well. This is a Baba Knots wig, which equals beginner friendly. 7x5 beginner friendly. And it's a Yaki, I think it's a Yaki straight that I got, and it is 24 inches long, okay? Let's take it out of this so we can look at that 7x5 up close and the rest of the wig. Y'all, this is gorgeous. Look at that. That is so pretty. My voice got low, didn't it? Y'all, look at that. I mean, this is just a gorgeous wig. And I want to say I got this wig, I think I got it in a bob as well. So that should be coming. I'm not sure the order they're being uploaded, but Unice, this is why they are my favorite. So they also included some Baba Knots tabs. And like I say, I use these on all of my wigs because it helps the wig lay flat on my dome. Cap construction is a dream cap construction for a beginner. 7x5 parting space, which means you could do pretty much anything you want to do without having all of the work of a 13x4. So I love that. A comb in the back, some adjustable straps. Y'all know my favorite, the drawstring. I don't even really mess with anything else if a wig has this drawstring in it because it's so easy for me as a beginner. And then we have an adjustable glueless band that has already been attached. They have already done everything for us. Look at that. Got pretty. Come on, Unice. That is gorgeous. Y'all, this won't take long. I'm gonna put this on my head. I'll give you a 360. I'll run my flat iron through like a few pieces of it because I can see that it has a few bumps in it from like how it traveled to me. And then I'll come back with my final thoughts. You guys be right back.
Now breathe your air. You only can rescue me. This is my prayer. If you were mine, if you were mine, I wouldn't want to go. can rescue me. This is my breath. If you were mine, if you were mine, I wouldn't want to go.
Alright guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts, and if you can't tell, like always, I love this one by Unice as well. They just knock it out of the park every time. This hair is so soft, it's easy to manage. Really, they did everything for me. I even lied and told you I was gonna run a flat iron through it, and I didn't. Okay, and this is it right out of the box. It is very, very pretty. This texture is so gorgeous. And I've gotten this wig as a bob as well, because I know that this one, of course, is a middle part bone straight unit. Like, of course, I knew I was gonna like it, but I knew that I would like it at this length as well for the summer as it heats up. So I do have this unit in a shorter length as well, and I know that it's gonna slap just like this one did. I still stand on, there isn't another human hair wig company on the market right now that's this affordable with this bomb quality and this great customer service. Like, I really do love Unice because they check all my boxes. They also set the bar really high though. So I do judge a lot of other companies based off of what I get with Unice, and Unice always pulls through. So I definitely can recommend this one, just like every other unit that I get from Unice. If you look in the description box, I'll put I can't stop touching it, sorry. I'll put a direct link to where you can go and purchase it. But like always, y'all, I encourage you to look around on their site, because if this color, if this length, if this texture isn't for you, I promise what you're looking for, they definitely have it. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what y'all's thoughts are on this one, because I am in love. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon.